Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are always fine. We give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Salawat and greeting we send to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let us say Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ahli Sayyidina Muhammad. Assalamualaikum ya Rasulullah. Assalamualaikum ya Habibullah. Before continuing with the video, it would be nice if I introduce myself. My name is Ilham Ramadana. You can call me Ilham. I continued my studies at the Sultan Syarif Qasim State Islamic University Riau, majoring State Administration, and now in third semester. In this video was meant to fulfill final exam assignment for the English courses with lecturer Idham Syaputra MED. Well, in this video we will tell you a little about our experience while on vacation to a tourist spot called Kapalo Banda Taram. Yes, his name is Kapalo Banda Taram. Maybe some of your friends do not know the place, the location and address of the Kapalo Banda Taram tourist attraction is in Kanagarian Taram, Haro District, Payakumbuh Region, 50 Region, West Sumatra Province, with zip code 26271. Okay guys, Kapalo Banda Taram is actually an irrigation system built to irrigate agricultural land and plantation for the surrounding community. Previously, this lake had not become a popular tourist destination. This location is used entirely as an irrigation function. With the creativity of some the surrounding communities, the water and the Kapalo Banda Taram area will change and arranged in such a way only because it is viral on social media because of its natural charm, so that it attracts tourists from various regions. Although the Kapalo Banda Taram is a tourist attraction, it does not change its basic function as an irrigation system that provides millions of lives for agricultural land and plantation that are traversed by waterways. Okay friends, when I got through, I took a short break while enjoying the breeze. Not long after, I start to approach the water at Kapalo Banda Taram and didn't forget to take selfie with a very beautiful background. In the afternoon, I start to feel hungry. I approach the Starling snack, and this holiday I feel happy to be on vacation with my family and enjoy the natural beautiful, the good created. Without realizing it was already evening, we rushed home. Before going home, I bought some souvenirs there. So friend, the nature is still awake and the atmosphere is comfortable. Maybe Kapalo Banda Taram could be one on your next vacation destination. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again. I end by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.